Welcome back to our channel. Today we have restored a 540 Jeep with the original kind of look. You can just have a look at the vehicle. The body is a brand new body with a new paint job done on this. So complete with original fittings installed in this. You can just have a look at the front look. The front is coming up with original bumpers in this, and brand new taillights have been installed in this. Brand new hella lights have been installed. Horn has been installed. Auxiliary lights have been completely installed, and totally a mechanical servicing is done on this vehicle. And you can just check out the complete overview of the vehicle. The overview is totally a brand new paint job installed in this. You can just check the quality of the paint which has been installed in this. This is a two-wheel drive vehicle, Peugeot engine, and brand new seat covers have been installed, and also Trapple has been installed in this. Complete set of basic original look has been installed on this. You can just check the side view of the vehicle. It's installed with brand new reflectors in this, and you can just check out the Trapple also. Trapple is also made with a brand new Thar look. Apart from that, you can just have a look at the side view of the vehicle. Completely a new kind of look installed in this. So when coming to the interiors are a basic interiors which have been installed in this. New seats covers have been installed in this, and new toggle switches have been installed. New meters have been installed. New steering boxes been installed. That's the steering with cover, and Thar seats have been installed in this. This is a two-wheel drive vehicle. Door pads are installed, are brand new. So you can just have a look at the sticker, Jeepzone sticker, which has been makeover by Jeepzone, and you can just check the complete look, like a brand new look installed in this, makeover by Jeepzone Bangalore. For more queries, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. This is a Peugeot engine two-wheel drive vehicle, completely done up vehicle at Jeepzone itself. For any kinds of queries, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. This is made for the customer. This is not for sale. So please like and subscribe our channel. For more details, you can just check out or contact us on our number. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.